Hello दोस्तों, once again this is your friend Asif from Lucknow. Firstly, I would like to briefly introduce myself. My name is Asif. I am 51 and I have been working in the field of spoken English, personality development, competitive English, interview training, etc. for last 15 years. Today I will use only English language to communicate with my brothers and my sisters. My objective is simple. Since I am a trainer on spoken English and personality development, this video will help you to understand how you can communicate well in English language. You know that कैसे सुधारे संबंध. On this series, I have been posting videos. So far, I have posted 3 important videos on this topic. This thing was there in my mind that I would use English language also because my audience would be definitely willing to see me speaking English. Okay. See, why we should watch the people who are experienced talking English. It's a source of inspiration. Inspiration is a basic thing which decides how far we will go and whether our efforts will be sustainable or unsustainable. As you know, I make this statement in almost all my videos that whenever you watch my videos, 3 concrete, tangible benefits you are going to receive. The first benefit is your enthusiasm will go up. Second, I won't let you get bored. And third, you are going to learn some beautiful words and beautiful sentences of English language. So, if you give me 5-10 minutes, definitely you will get something substantial, something remarkable in return. Okay? I am going to tell the same stuff which I told in कैसे सुधारे संबंध in lecture 1. Same material, same stuff, but mode of communication is going to be only in English. Okay. Firstly, let me explain. You must be thinking that I'm a personality development trainer, I'm a trainer on spoken English, English grammar. Why should I talk about Sambandh? This is a subject of spiritual leaders. This is a subject of gurus, saint. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, you would agree with me that unless and until a person has peace and tranquility of mind, he cannot focus on his work and on his assignment. Whether it is a student and whether it is a 70 years old person, this principle applies on each and everybody. I'm happy, I'm stable by the grace of God, I'm full of positive energy. That is why I feel like making some videos and getting engaged with you people. But there are many people who have the conflict, who have the resentment, who have the grievances with their own people. No outsider troubles us. Please try to understand. The maximum plight, the maximum pain we receive by our own people. It is an art to handle the relationship. If you learn this art, and every art requires certain principles. So, firstly, today I am going to discuss why we should work on healthy and constructive relationship. What is the logic? What are the benefits? Because it's a human tendency. We keep on doing those things which gives us pleasure, which gives us prosperity, which gives us nice things in return. So, what is the logic behind working on the relationship. There are several benefits, but few are most crucial, the most crucial. First benefit, if you are in good relationship with your family members, first benefit is that you will stay healthy, your face will glow, you will be full of confidence, and you would be able to work hard. Your creativity will work because we all have tremendous potential. Ladies and gentlemen, children, please understand. God has given us a lot of potential, a lot of things which are there, but you need to evolve your personality. You need to work on your personality. You need to explore your talent. And for that, the first prerequisite is that you should be a happy person. For happiness, I don't agree that a building is required, a luxury vehicle is required. I don't agree, and none of the wise, any person who is in his right mind will say that material is required. If you are rich only, then you can remain happy. Not at all. Not at all. You just require one thing: your relationship. Your relationship with your spouse, with your parents, with your siblings. If it is strong, if it is mutually fulfilling, you will stay happy. Your blood pressure will be under control. Your cholesterol will be under control. And then, if you do exercises, take proper diet, definitely your life is going to be pleasure giving. There are two kind of people. Some people give pleasure. Wherever they go, they spread their fragrance. They are fragrant people. On the contrary, there are people who spread the pain. Wherever they go, they mess up with others. They find fault with others. Okay? There are several benefits if you are having strong bonding with your own family. Okay? I will be working with you, and I am quite sure that at least I will be able to change the lives of some of the people. And if I could do that, I think I am a very lucky person. I would also like to inform you, if any one of you want to improve your spoken English, wants to build up your grammar, wants to improve your competitive English, there are two methods by which you can get the education. One method is for free. You can please visit my channel. Its name is Asif's, ASIF apostrophe S, Asif's English and Personality Development. There are more than 500 videos. Please go to the playlist, go to the grammar portion, see what I have taught. Go to the most important 2000 words of English, see what I have taught. English newspaper, you must be talking, 100 videos are there. The Hindu newspaper I have explained, the Times of India I have explained. Okay, there are many flowers on my channel. Please go and enjoy them. If anybody wants to take classes from me, there are Google Meet classes. My contact number is, please note down, 93350 77458. 93350 77458. You please WhatsApp me, I will respond. For your children, please understand, you can take these classes. If you build up their English, it will help in all the other subjects. Most of the books they are having, it is in English language. It is because of the poor understanding and grasping of the English language. Many students find problems, find troubles. Okay, I give personalized classes also, 30 minutes personalized classes. Okay, some charges are there which are very reasonable and affordable. You can contact me. Now I am concluding this talk. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I would be sharing many videos in English language also. Thank you so much. And one request, just one Guru Dachina. Please share this video. If you find that yes, the content of the video is good, please share. Please subscribe these videos and please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. God bless you.